Go South Africa! Well done, baby girl! Believe, we did. But go South Africa!
Schwarma caught for 28 of 31 balls in here. Now 99 for the loss of 3 wickets. India's captain.
Nice. Well done, baby girl. You're winning.
Back into the attack now for the Proteas. Let's make some noise for Nonkululeko Mlaba.
Yebo! Go Mamlaba. You wanna kill? Oh, it's a shum. Oh, pina mo yen.
Come, man.
Yo, sa salida.
They finished the series in Benoni on the 27th. Don't forget the signing session, everybody.
Azieglez imoto.
Come through, no. Oh, so it hasn't offended you. I'm gonna be in the
Sanbona. Yebo.
It's bro, we're going to the DRT.
Sanibona to the people. We are here for sports. We are DUT.
For the spots?
For the sports. We are DUT to watch our very first league game.
Yeah.
Very excited. Go sports! Last week we went to cricket and now the sports crew is here for netball. Go sports! Oh, go sports!
Yeah, for the cute thing.
Oh yeah, the mummies went here at some point in their lives. Yeah, we're here for the sports.
So by renovating, no, it wasn't like this.
No, it wasn't like this.
It was never ever like this.
So it is the Saturday. The league started Izolo. It's the Telkom Netball League, and we have the different teams up from our provinces competing. It's day 2. We at duty. Go Sports. Oh, nangu Fred Crooks.
If it's a struggle, send it to the Sports Centre, make some noise!
It's that one.
Bye!
Son of Lomo all the way from Free State! Sangena esiyaZulu isintofukazi. Let us welcome on stage the Kingdom Queen!
Our queens! Our queens! Nangu bala. Okay.
Ang kailan ko sa pagtating sa zeta ang namin po nagpo sa masinya competing with the spirits of sportsmanship and fair play. Thank you.
And of course, we'll make you again tomorrow.
noma uvele mose uphuma khona ethi samzoma emotini
Sunny Bonani, welcome to another episode of Umgaqo Creates. It's a Sunday and myself and Slow are showing up at the St. Paul. It's outside the workshop. I am here slightly earlier than Slow. I got to walk around a bit and guess what? Ngisebenzise entrance that leads right to the front. So ngibhizi ngiyarecorda and people are looking at me. I walked back and tried to just figure myself out and confidently walk back in. Thank you so much for following the channel. High five to the crew coming from TikTok. Appreciate you and really excited to be exploring more places of worship this particular one does offer services of history tours. Oh god, that this place is beautiful. I'm just going to show you around the church. So let me start by showing you where the church is. So that's the church, and then it leads out to the market that extends outside the workshop. Not sure what building this is. How stunning.
Tours. I also do sketching around the city.
Okay. Like a group of people
Yeah,
sit
sit down
and
and
sketch.
sketch, right?
Solar. Now it's a whole task. Wait, am I in your shot?
Ang phezulu.
Oh, okay.
Oh yay, I've got a few seconds of us here. I mean, I hope you guys are getting money. Are you for real?
Yeah, because there's a shock declining thingy. So this is also a conservation, like a shock baby thingy. Once they reach a certain size,
Then
and
they
then there's
have
actually
achieved.
sections of it. When they're like a smaller nyana, when they're gated like under these waters, they stay that side, and then once they're a little bit bigger, they can come out this side.
Oh, the girl is grateful. The girl is just affirmed of all of this mishmash that I be about. It's still within my path, and there's a purpose, and there is a God behind all of this. I'm so grateful for the affirmation. Today's word was really an echo of the last service from the Ibino Cathedral. So that's the previous episode. FYI, similar formats of just going out and about to experience these beautiful churches that have the most lavish and the most decorated houses of praise, and finding out a bit more about them. Today I was very fortunate to go to the church that we went to, St. Paul's, Anglican. they do offer services of taking you on tours. I walked up to someone after the service and then I mentioned what I do, what I be about, and I saw that on the internet it says you guys offer this at a service. I'd say, Usisi, yes, Stuart does that. So I met up with Stuart and I are going to connect more. I will unpack his journey more as I discover it myself. But so grateful for the alignment, so grateful for his openness, and it just felt so aligned is the word. It's so aligned just because of the timing and the word that was shared, and it just brings me back to being grateful. And shout out to everybody who gives me feedback. I know recently somebody that I esteem quite high, I see them as a work mentor. The person gave me feedback. Shout out to you. I see you, I hear you, thank you, with regards to just captioning it right and captioning it for non-Zulu speakers. And today is just one of those days where I just need some stillness to soak it all in. So grateful for the time Slondile and I get to do this. We chilled afterwards and we just spoke about our own journeys and the frustrations that we have as well. And it's just so funny how we've come to a point where we are validated, and it seems like there are other parts to this puzzle and it's all making sense and it's coming together. Alignment, and very grateful. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a comment and let me know what you enjoyed about the episode, and nudge me for any opportunities for walkabouts in the city. Stuart did say that he does more than just church tours, so we'll explore that together. And yeah, like and comment, spread the word. Thank you for making a stop. You are appreciated.